Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by bringing your Gopro clips into the editor and keeping everything organized. Set your sequence to match resolution and frame rate, then make proxies if your machine struggles. Once done, relink to originals and disable any automatic color LUTs so you have a neutral baseline. You want raw, consistent footage. That's why you maintain original white balance and protune settings. This prevents baked-in shifts later and gives you headroom for adjustments. You now correct exposure and white balance because accurate luminance and neutral color are the backbone of a good grade. Start with scopes. Match highlights to avoid clipping and lift shadows to retain detail. Once done, use an eyedropper or set Kelvin and tint manually to neutralize whites and skin tones. Make small contrast and saturation moves now. Aggressive boosts hide detail. Continually toggle before slash, after so you can see weather changes, improve clarity and color fidelity. You finish by applying a controlled creative grade that complements accurate primaries. First, craft a primary look with curves or color wheels, lift shadows, adjust midtones, then use a mild LUT if you want a specific vibe. Once done, add selective adjustments, skin protection, HSL secondary tweaks, and mild sharpening or denoise for GoPro noise. Export using the intended color space such as Rec. 709. Make sure your sequence and export settings match. If colors shift, check codec and GPU color management to troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.